Ole, tuntu makan thile turju, kan ena kan thile turju. Preng sual lampang kan endoni. Preng sual entinge ti sual karkhalawa. Video kan en chin potanga, kan en potanga chuanin atul dan zerin kan soyang. Kaya, avaro ve khaju.
Are you blind? What's happening? Are you mad?
Ngorala ko, kipaki thildanga mia preng ka muto khitianga tuya le hi ka muwa atui le na chon lam khachu abula motor khitiang motor khitin chi hi a omem ka khalawa motor ka sila car ka sila karon le solati.
What's been about this?
Auntie, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? Are you mad? See my eyes.
Oh.
Hey, sorry.
Ti sura phallo.
My phone. Guy, are you mad?
I'm sorry, Auntie.
What's been about this? Sorry for what?
Oh.
Me, Mom, I'm just...
Me, more like, I don't understand.
I know one,
Are you mad?
Is that what you ask?
Are you insane?
If I
What's
aveti.
been about this? See my head, see my clothes, see my phone. Are you mad?
What am I saying? Shayna,
What's been about this? Are you mad?
Oh.
Shayna,
Are you mad?
I said I'm sorry.
Are you mad? What do you mean? What should we do now?
I'm sorry.
See my body. Sorry for what? Don't say you're sorry. Sorry for what? What should we do now? See my body.
You know one about tempo. She wanna tell about your tempo ni.
Kataksa hu vak hiti.
I'm a soft person. What do you mean?
Oh.
Yes.
Artu shalturin.
Are you
What should we
okay?
do?
Artu shaltur a business asum dona artu shaltur khan ava the.
Wait.
What should we do now?
Hey, don't leave me alone first. Now say I'm sorry.
Hey, what should we do?
Do what?
You buy the egg.
Buy guys out.
Egg and my clothes. You pay for it. What should we do?
Do what?
You don't even know how to talk. You don't even know how to talk.
See my body.
What kind of guy is this one? You don't even know how to talk. Are you mad? I'm going to have prayed before I left out this morning. I don't want to meet an unfortunate person. Are you mad?
Oh.
I said I'm sorry.
Tuna amechena soi hichimo hesum dona hi akal puya hi hemi artuya jar himo hemi hi inatranga kachua ma in pathian hena ka in lan thiang lima thil sol tong lo turin engma tong lo turin ka in lan thiang lima tlong taka ti turin ka in lan thiang lima hetiang thil ton hi a thiang lo ni katan chuna thiang lo ati top tingina om lo.
Say me what don't get me about. I think stop.
Oh.
What for what? Are you insane? Come on, you see.
See the way you spoil everything. See the way you spoil everything. Who is going to pay? You
You don't have to pay.
Pay what?
I my clothes. I my
If a boro vele tetia.
I my head. You pay.
For what?
Oh, okay.
Leave me alone.
Leave the for
You are
what?
looking for trouble, Abi. You are looking for trouble.
No, I like violence. So I think you are mad. You pay for my head and for my clothes.
For who was you? Talo, Benje.
None of my business.
I said I'm sorry.
None of my business.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? You will pay.
Pay for what?
Ti pal ka phallo ani top.
Sorry for what?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? Are you mad?
I said I'm sorry, sister.
Hey, give me my money. You spoil everything now. You spoil my day. I can't go anywhere again. I'll be going back home now. I can't go anywhere again. You see, everything you will pay for it.
I said I'm sorry, Auntie.
An chong sia ta har box yamo.
I'm
Sorry for what?
What do you want me to do now? What do you want me to do?
Are you mad? Sorry for what?
Is that why you start stopping me like this?
You get mad?
Are you mad?
Katipal tipo hianin tipal ka phal silo mo tingina om lo. Tuna hanin ami pa po hianin I ami tive at tiliag ve taring wata tuna hanin.
Are you insane?
I said I'm sorry. Wait. I said I'm sorry, Auntie.
Hey, you give me my money.
Which money?
You see today. You spoil my day. See my clothes. Even the egg.
See where you scatter everything,
This is
sister.
my business. I will check on my money.
Kasum do nai ti sia ka poisa mu za tur kamiron pelelero tini om taking tuna kachon mo give me my money ron tia.
You allow what back on live and sit alone. Okay, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? Stop saying sorry. You are pissing me off. Stop saying sorry.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
You will pay.
Pay for what? Do I have money?
For the egg and for my clothes. You spoil my day. Do you know where I'm going?
Okay, I'm loading for motor.
None of my business.
Money motor.
Oh, come here. Go over and none of my business.
Okay, I'm sorry. I will do something. Just
Do something how?
Leave me. The way we are holding.
Do something how?
Just leave me alone first.
I cannot leave you.
Leave me, please.
Never. It's like you don't know who you are dealing with. Are you mad?
Don't tell me I'm mad again. Don't tell.
Khoi na sa miel la man.
Is that what you see? So because of your guy, that's why I don't want to touch you. Just leave me alone first. Okay, leave me.
No, I can't leave you. Give me money.
Leave me. Okay, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Okay, what do you want me to say?
You pay.
I cannot buy the ego.
You cannot buy. Okay.
Okay.
If you leave,
okay.
you come back.
Okay, I'm sorry. I will. You want me to pay, Abi?
Yes.
Okay, I will pay.
Yes,
I will pay. Leave me alone first.
I can't leave you.
Apreng tu hian in ka ti pala tinasa pakhat len ti pala phalbok sila wa Buaithlak le mai.
I can't leave you.
Man, I think. Yeah.
Give my money. Are you mad?
If I. So what the fuck?
Hey, what's the business?
So what the fuck?
It's not my business. Give my money.
Okay. You want me to pay, Abi?
You pay.
Okay, I will pay. So what the fuck?
It's not my business.
If I ask you to pay for that.
No, my business.
Asum do na ti che da vai na lung oi thei lo. Ka thina rim hle ani ti top mai ni.
Okay, I will pay. Just leave me alone. I will pay. Leave me alone.
Give me my.
Okay.
I will spoil your car.
You spoil my.
Yes, I will spoil your car. Give me money.
Okay, I will give you. I will give you.
Give me now.
I will give you. Okay, how much do you want to collect, man?
50,000.
Are you okay?
Esa ka pe don cha ti tu na khanin cheng singa ti asum do na tu na ti che da wang khan mo artui asum do na ti che ti khanin apreng nu hianin artui azor tur khanin awat he ta ni khami kha akke ta vexia chuwa chonin kasum do na min ti che sakati ati dei ta tu na hianin poisa di la injang ka peng che injang ka pek che ti ya 50,000 na ti cheng singa deal hem mai anin peng mo chu.
Do you know how much they're selling the egg?
How much are they selling egg?
Are you mad? Do you know how much they're selling the egg? None of my business. Give me my money now. But for this place.
I don't have
If I
50.
give you mark, you will know.
You give me mark.
Yes, I will give you mark.
So let me
you give me my money.
Show them mini. Show them. Let me. Yeah, God. Okay, I'll give you.
Give my money.
It's okay, I'll give you. It's okay.
Give my money.
Jesus.
Give my money.
Yeah. That's it. Wait.
Give my money.
Wait, are you okay?
I do want to beat me. You want to beat me. Give my money. Idiot.
I can't see. Wait. I'll give you. How much do you want to collect?
50,000 naira.
I'll give you 20,000. I don't have 20.
For what?
I can't see.
Oh. You know my business.
Oh yeah, wait, I'll give you. But I don't
God, I pray before I left out this money. I don't want to meet unfortunate person. God, why?
I'll give you.
Give my money. Answer me. It's my.
Ka peng che poisa ti ape tak e mo chu eng za tak peng mo.
Idiot. If you don't want to see crazy, give my money. Idiot. Give my money. You're mad.
This? Are you mad?
Do you want to beat me? Do you want to beat me?
I said I will give you. See, I will not. Don't touch. If you don't touch me again.
Give my money.
I said I will give you.
Give me my money. So.
Mu na ma riap la mai.
Give my money. Fast. Give my money. Idiot.
Can you please calm down?
None of my business. Give my money. Give me my slippers. Please calm down, come. Idiot.
That's 20,000 now.
None of my business. None of my business.
You're not a good woman. I swear to God. You're not a good woman. If you touch me.
Hey, you want to beat me?
Okay. I'm sorry.
Wow.
One of my coaches was you. So we should go.
Get out. Idiot.
Tu nem di khong ro heta hian atop ani tu na afarsin kha ju.
One of my coaches was you. So we should go.
Chonin tu na mi pakhat ron lang zo kan ti chun som la chinang.
Get out. Idiot.
Le ta.
Jesus Christ.
อะไรเลยเองที่ยังเบียกเลย
Can't you see?
Hey, I'm sorry, sister.
Jesus.
I'm sorry, sister. I'm sorry.
See my Jesus Christ.
I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry.
My God, do you know where I'm going?
I'm trying to wash my car. I'm sorry.
Jesus.
ให้ตาพูดนินอากาศสิลไฟหัดชวนลำได้
See my phone.
Auntie, I'm being a gentle. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Please.
No problem, no problem. Don't worry. Don't worry.
It was a mistake.
Don't worry.
I'm really sorry,
ดิฉันไม่ได้จะได้นางเราแว
sister.
Don't worry, don't worry. It's okay.
I'm being a gentle.
It's fine. No problem, don't worry. Can continue your work.
I'm sorry. I'm very dashy. I'm not doing.
Don't worry. I'll be fine.
Auntie, please. I'm sorry. Hope you are not mad at me.
No, don't worry.
I'm sorry. I'm not being.
No problem.
Please.
Don't worry.
Can I continue?
There's no problem.
Hope you are not mad.
No. It's fine.
Are you sure?
Don't worry.
Are you sure?
Yeah, don't worry. It's fine.
Sister, please, can I see you?
Maybe you should come to that.
I'm sorry. Please.
ไปซับไปโดนมี
God bless you. I don't know this is why you come like this. Please, this 100,000 for you.
And for what?
Huh?
I told you not to worry. Why are you giving me money?
I just want to give you.
No. Don't worry. I'll be fine. Don't worry.
ไปซับดูแล้วว่าให้จนอะไรดูแล้วว่ามาเสอันนี้เป็นลีดอนไง
Sister, wait, sister. Okay, let me quickly tell you something. The thing is, I'm videoing you. See? That's the camera. So what I'm doing now is I'm just looking for a loyal person.
คิดให้จนอัปเปรงอันนี้ที่อาคิลหลังตะทบตาก็ฟัดตูหันอมตีค่ะอาคิลตาพอนี่เสกค่ะกันวิดีโอเทชุนกันเคลียร์เลยเทชุนนี่ตาเสละจนนี้วิดีโอเลยไปกะกันหิมเลยชอบตัวนี้อ๋อ